Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite using the Epic Games Launcher. First, you will need to download the Epic Games Launcher directly from their official website. Once installed, create a new Epic Games account or simply log in if you already have one. Before proceeding, always ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. This initial setup is crucial for getting started smoothly. Once you are logged into the Epic Games Launcher, head over to the Store tab. You can easily find Fortnite by using the search bar at the top right. After locating the game, click on its icon to view the product page. Then, simply click the prominent Get or Install button to initiate the download and installation process. The game file size is typically around 30 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage space. After Fortnite has finished installing, navigate to your Library tab within the Epic Games Launcher. Here, you will see Fortnite listed among your games. Click on the game's icon to launch it. The game might perform a quick update or two before fully loading, which is completely normal. Once any updates are complete, you will be taken directly to the game's main lobby, ready to jump into action. Fortnite offers a variety of exciting game modes, including the classic Battle Royale, the Strategic Zero build, and the Imaginative Creative mode. Take some time to explore these options and find your favorite. Remember to adjust your in-game settings, such as graphics and controls, for optimal performance and personal comfort. You can also customize your character's appearance with thousands of unique outfits and items, making your experience truly your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.